Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We're not gonna make any juice today, we're gonna make you a lovely simple salad today. It's gonna be amazing. So basically I want to simply say to you, I have some mixed leaf inside of this bowl right here. And also I have some green olive. I'm just gonna pop the green olive in it like just like this. It's gonna be amazing, amazing one, guys. So start it off just like this, very easy and simple, and that's how it's going to go. We got some tomato which we're going to put in it, and some peppers and some, you know what I mean, bits and pieces to bring in a lovely flavor. Simple like a salad where you guys can make at home. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Please subscribe. Subscribe is very important. I love you all, and you know what I mean, it's just amazing to know exactly what is taking place in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo on the cooking show. It's amazing, guys. It is amazing. Anyway, it is summer. And through this summer, we normally want to do something healthy, something for go inside of your system. Lovely, tastable, and nice. Salad, juice, and all these things. Healthy recipe will be the key. Alright? Healthy recipe, healthy salad will be the key. Alright? So this is how we're going to do it today. Very easy and simple. Nothing too complicated. You might see me do all different kind of salad, but I love to make things very easy and simple for my fans them. I love nice one. So as you can see, we got the green olive. So right here I'm going to put some spring onion inside of it, and I'm just simply cutting up the spring onion very small, not too chunky. Alright, so that's the spring onion. Then we're gonna put some pepper. I love pepper. This is some yellow pepper, and I cut them very small. This is some green pepper, which also I'm going to be using inside of it, and I'm just cutting them very small, not too thick, guys. You know what I mean? This is very, very small recipe. Lovely and nice. Then we have some red pepper, which I want to put also inside of it, because the red pepper definitely gonna give it a lovely color and a nice look. All right. Nice one. Then we have some lovely little cucumber right here. This is my cucumber. I love cucumber. So we're gonna simple. Not too thick, that's really fine, just like how I'm being cutting the peppers, you know. So that's what's going to happen right here inside of the bowl right here. Lovely and nice. And once you do all of your cucumber, your salad, everything like this, then it will come out lovely. Nice one. And that's the way your salad must look when you do this salad at home. Oh, this is a little bit hard. I don't know why. Oh, let's see another one. Perfect. And this is your cucumber. This is your tomato. I'm gonna put a few tomato inside of it. Nice one. Lovely. So that's looking good, and that's exactly what you're talking about. Very easy recipe. Pop a little bit of olive oil. If you like olive oil, here it is. That's where it goes. And then what you can do next is get some pepper. Nice one. Once you do that, just make sure you have our gloves. Honestly, it's a very easy recipe, guys. Make sure you have our gloves. And just mix it up like this. You got everything already. So all you have to do is just mix them up like this. Alright. And this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Very easy and simple salad. to make at home. So please enjoy this simple little recipe and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe coming out and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. The only thing I would normally do when I'm doing a salad like this, I would just pop a little bit of dry chili. Alright, so that's definitely gonna bring in a lovely flavor to the salad also. So thank you so much for watching, and this is how we do our salad. What I'm talking about, very healthy recipe, and hopefully you guys will definitely love it. So stay tuned. This is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, and we start to do some healthy salad for the fans them. I love you all, and see you with more healthy recipe. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically right here I'm gonna make a simple salad in the evening, yeah. Summer, it's nice for summer. Welcome to Chef Ricardo Salad Bar. Alright guys, so this is how we're going to start it. Red onion is a must. Alright, put some red onion inside of it, just like this. And I got 2 medium-sized tomatoes. That's the way I'm gonna cut my tomato them. Just like that. Very healthy recipe I'm gonna make today. Then we got some mixed pepper here. Alright. Chef Ricardo salad bar today. I'm just gonna use this pepper. Nice one. See that? That's looking lovely already. That's all that to do with the salad at home, guys. Very easy. Make sure you wash everything. Nice one. Nice and lovely. This very easy and simple recipe. Yeah. I want you guys to just enjoy this one, because it's nothing too complicated where you guys cannot make at home. Alright guys? Alright, so then we're going to put a large spring onion inside of it. That's going to bring out even a better flavor. Alright, spring onion is a must. Some spring onion. Alright. Keep it simple, real and natural. That's what Chef Ricardo is all about at the moment. So yeah? So if you have any cucumber, please put some cucumber inside of it. Little bit of olive oil. Also this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. Very easy and simple salad. And this salad, you can have it with anything. It's just easy recipe, guys. Easy recipe. Just cut up yourself some nice lovely vegetable like this. Put it together. And that's exactly what's gonna happen right here. Very simple, natural, healthy, and fantastic. So please subscribe to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel and Chef Ricardo Cooking Show on the Salad Bar, and that's what you can do for the summer because the weather is very hot at the moment. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.